Hey, it's Maitre from Language Maitre, and in this video I'm going to go over brought up and raised, which just which both mean the same thing. They both have the same meaning. It just means that you grew up somewhere. So if you were brought up in New Jersey, that means you grew up in New Jersey. Also, if you were raised in New Jersey, it means that you grew up in New Jersey. Also, culturally, if you grew up a certain particular way, so you were brought up listening to pop music, which means like through your age, as you were growing up, this is what you listened to as you were growing up. And you can also use it the same way. So I grew up on hip-hop music, let's say, right? So also I was raised on hip-hop music, 80s hip-hop, 90s hip-hop. And it's the same thing with food. So someone can say I was raised on rice and beans, you know. I was raised on rice and beans. I was brought up on rice and beans, meaning that that's what you ate culturally as you were growing up. So they're both interchangeable. You'll hear both of these things used, brought up and raised. So some examples: I was raised in New Jersey. I was brought up in New Jersey. I was raised on rice and beans. I grew up on rice and beans. All right, so it's just like I said, they're both interchangeable, and they're also the same way grew up can be used. So just remember those three phrases: grew up, brought up, raised. So when you say raised, you don't have to say raised up. You just, say raised. I was raised on whatever. So, okay. It's Maitre from Language Maitre. Hopefully this is helpful.